Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Finally, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So here we have mostly the same problems in the gold market I have explained just a few minutes ago, but you maybe do not know, do not watching our gold reports. So don't rely this downside action to something really related to cryptocurrencies. This is purely economical problem in the United States. Here we have the sign of the problems in the liquidity. In the recent session, we have few moments and events have happened that really dry out the liquidity on the market. So first of all, if you take a look at the short-term interest rates, you will see that the interbank overnight rate, which is in the United States, is SOFR, has jumped above the reverse repo overnight rate on the Fed Reserve. It usually happens when the problems on the liquidity, so the banks need some money to close short-term obligations, and they're watching for it. That's why the interest rate is rising, and now it is stand above the 5%, which is a really high level. Second moment is United States bond market totally ignores the 50% rate cut. It keeps climbing higher. It also points on rising of the inflationary expectations. So in the current circumstances, since the Bitcoin is non-bearing interest in the market and it's most risky market showing extremely high volatility, this is the first market, the first asset that investors are selling to get cash and to close some margin calls on some other positions to finance maybe some drawdowns or something. Finally, you probably heard about the strike on seaport workers in the United States. It lasted already for a few days, and as economists suggest, I do not know exactly, but I read that approximately 1 day of the strike costs around the $2 billion. So, but this is not the major problem. The major problem that the logistics is paralyzed, and as you know, the mutual relationship between the companies and other delivery of the goods, providing some payments against the goods. So all this stuff now is actually stuck, which is makes impact on the financial flows inside of the country, and it's also might be one of the reasons why we see this performance. So that's why that we see here, it is not the problem with some cryptocurrencies or some revaluation changing on the opinions of the investors. This is purely technical stuff that everybody needs dollars. That's all. So we will see what will happen, but the current circumstances, if you will take a look at the weekly chart, this might be important. We could get some sharp reversal on the weekly chart, as I call it, in kind of the 2-day bearish grabber, if market will close here or slightly lower. So that might be serious impact on the bullish ambitions and could lead to the further downward action, especially if these problems with the liquidity will not be resolved fast. On a lower time frame on the daily chart, you could see that market showing a bit deeper retracement that we actually suggested. So we initially said we watch for a 63 area, but you can see that market has dropped even to the confluence. I will show a bit later. Now it is not something really outstanding, because this is approximately 30% retracement on the whole upper direction, but it's a bit stronger than we think, and it totally relates to the external impact. You could see what's going on. So here market was not able even to form the hand shorts. Initially, if you remember, we suggested that it will be deeper retracement right to the 60 approximately level, but we thought that it might be based on the hand and shoulders. So market first will show the bounce up to form the right arm, and then to complete the hand shoulders pattern. But you can see external impact and weakness of the market was not able to form the right arm, and market directly drops to the predefined level that we discussed, around 60 even. Now if you take a look at in the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that market has completed 1618 extension of this last upward swing. I usually use this as a target when I do not have the hand shorter special. And market is going around the confluence. In fact, I would say that even has been broken already. So in the current situation, personally, I do not want to take any new long position. The same thing that I said on the gold market. Despite how good technical picture looks like, when you have the liquidity issues, you do not know when it will be fixed and how it will be fixed. And when the liquidity issues stand, you do not want to go against them, because it's an uncontrolled situation. You do not know what the pace of this demand for the dollars will take. This is just the first signs of these problems. What really stands on behind, difficult to say. My choice is to wait and see what particular reaction of the market will be on a strong level. So here, currently, we do not see anything yet. By taking a look at the hourly chart, currently I do not see any clear bullish patterns, any clear reaction that market intends to reverse this situation. So I prefer to wait. If we will get here good bullish pattern, we will try to use it. If not, we will be watching for a 58 area, next 618 support, and see what will happen there. So this is the simple logic following the market right now.